Okay, guys, hotel review time. This hotel is called 168 RakThai Resort and it's located in Ban RakThai in northern Thailand, right on the Myanmar border in Mae Hong Son province. It is a long way from everywhere. I stayed here in February of 2024. This place is hard to book, or it was for me. It's not on Agoda. I ended up booking it on their Facebook page, which, in my opinion, is a very risky thing to do because there's tons and tons of scams out there. You have to be very, very careful, that's for sure, before you go sending money to people you don't know. That being said, this place was booked solid. I booked 3 weeks ahead, and when I got the last or second last room when I booked, and it was full when I was there, and it's normally full. It came with complimentary cake and tea. That was very nice. This is a beautiful room, absolutely comfortable bed, and as far as I know, this hotel is less than a year old when I stayed. Mini bar, not so much, a couple of cold ones, and that's about it. Tea and coffee making supplies, but no tea provided. Luckily, I came prepared. I don't know how many rooms are here, but it's 2 levels. It's not that many rooms, but it's a really nice big room. The bathroom, absolutely amazing. I wish my bathroom at home looked like this. And don't forget the tub that's in the middle of the room. That's cool, I guess. A tub with a view. Looks brand new, don't it? Because it really is. The view off the balcony of the lake. This place is beautiful, and you wait till you see the nighttime views. Absolutely amazing. This is a man-made lake. There's a dam at the end. It's not that big. You can walk around it in probably 15 or 20 minutes. I did it multiple times. I was only here for one night, and I made the most of it, that's for sure. Under that plastic is a couple of tents. I didn't see anybody stay in those, but there were quite a few people camping, and there's a lot of camping places around the lake and up in the side of the mountain. Water's a little green, but there's a lot of fish in there. That's all fish. Look like tilapia to me. I paid 3,500 baht for the night, which is about 100 US dollars. Pretty fair, I guess, considering everything. That did include breakfast, and breakfast was really good. This is an interesting place. It's like a little piece of China in northern Thailand. And most of the people around here are originally from China. There's the front of the building. Upstairs is where they serve the breakfast. There is a lot more parking around the side of the building. It's not just this. Very, very narrow roads around here. That's for sure. And getting getting there is a nightmare. It's all mountain, narrow mountain roads. It's a project just to get to this town, that's for sure. But worth it in the end. Beautiful building. Absolute. The workmanship in this building is amazing. There's the nighttime view. Still quite a few boats on the lake at that time, but most of them were gone just as it started to get dark. Up to 20 boats at a time on the lake, more in the morning than in the evening. And it was really, really cold in the morning. Fog on the lake and freezing cold. But amazing views, yeah? Just beautiful, breathtaking, nice and quiet. These little boats are really, really cool. They're on PVC pontoons. Very stable little platforms they are. And everybody seemed to have their own slightly different design. The $1 million question, would I stay here again? Absolutely. This place is awesome. Customer service, 5 out of 5. Don't like the idea that I couldn't book on Agoda or one of the other sites. And maybe they'll fix that in the future, but really they don't need to because it's full already. View from the bed, pretty nice, I'd say. Breakfast was piping hot, but they had all the windows open and it was freezing cold in there. But that's why the Thai people go there to see the fog and experience the extreme cold, which for most people was not extreme, but 8 or 9 degrees in the morning, plenty cold for me, that's for sure. All right, guys, that is it. That is my review based on when I was there. This is an awesome place, very hard to get to, but worth it in the end, in my opinion. Where's the tea? It was really good and piping hot.